If you've never done a Disney cruise before, getting ready for one can honestly feel very different from a regular cruise. There are so many extra things to think about, from themed outfits, fish extenders, door magnets, pirate night, pixie dusting, packing for the kids. It's a lot. So before our cruise on the Disney Destiny, I filmed everything we did to get ready, and I thought it would be fun and helpful to share our real preparation process, the things we prioritized, and a few ideas that made the trip a little easier and more magical for our family. I've broken this video down into tips that helped us get ready for our Disney cruise and might make your own planning a little easier. So with that said, let's jump into tip number 1. Plan your outfits early. If you're traveling with the family and want matching outfits for theme nights, character photos, or embarkation day, start planning sooner than you think. It gives you time to find the pieces you want, order anything that's missing, and avoid last-minute stress. Thank you! Look, guys, up there! Oh, Spider-Man! Tip number 2, bring comfortable shoes. Trust me, you'll be doing a lot more walking than you might expect. Between exploring the ship, heading to shows, visiting the pools, and spending time in port, those steps add up quickly. Pack shoes that are comfortable enough to wear all day, because sore feet are definitely not the Disney magic you're looking for. Tip number 3, pack for Pirate Night. Pirate Night is one of the most fun Disney cruise traditions, and you'll see everything from simple pirate accessories to full pirate costumes. It's worth bringing something so you can join in on the fun and really feel part of the experience. Here's what we packed. For Noah, a pirate hat. And we got a costume, and it had so many things in it. It had like a bracelet, a ring, a necklace, a chain. Kyla's wearing this skirt, corset, a little belt, makes so much noise, and a top. As for me, it's a skirt and a top with a head wrap. So that's our pirate costumes for Pirate Night.
Why is your nosy? I don't see
This is for you. I hope I don't dirty my shirt. That's good. Tip number 4, bring your own snorkeling gear. If you're visiting Castaway Key, there's a snorkeling area where you can see Disney-themed statues and other fun surprises underwater. You're required to wear a yellow snorkeling vest, but it's provided by Disney free of charge. So all you really need to bring is your mask and snorkel if you prefer using your own equipment, but you can also rent some on the island. And I know you can rent, but we are trying to save money, not spend more than we already have. So we're just gonna bring our own. We have a big luggage, so it's gonna fit. Tip number 5, join a fish extender group. These are usually organized through Facebook groups for your specific sailing, and families sign up to exchange small gifts during the cruise, which are delivered to a fish extender, which is an organizer that's hanging outside your stateroom door. We bought ours online on Amazon and added our name to it with a cricket, and it was a fun way to add a little extra magic to the trip.
Oh, that's crazy.
I got some gifts! What? Tip number 6, make your own door magnets. One of the fun Disney cruise traditions is decorating your stateroom door with magnets. It's a great way to personalize your room, makes it easier to find your door in those long hallways, and you can show off your family's Disney style. We made our own before the cruise, but you can also buy them online if you're not feeling very crafty. So we have like the little hands for Mickey, the one that stick on the side of the door. Bought from this person that was selling them on Etsy, and you just download it, you print it, you cut them, then plastify them, then cut them, and then add the magnets. Here you go. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch it up. It's gonna look really nice. Kyla even did like her own little starfish. So cute. Mickey! I feel like I'm more excited than the kids. Tip number 7, bring a few extra decorations for your door. Along with magnets, you can add Mickey garlands, LED lights, or a small dry erase board where you write Disney questions for other guests to answer. We also brought a little mailbox for a duck exchange. The kids love checking it every day to see which ducks had been swapped. And what's fun is people were really participating. We got our duck. Let's put it inside and close the door. Oh, somebody took it and put some little ducks in there. Tip number 8, pack a few magnetic hooks. The walls in your stateroom are metal, so they're perfect for hanging Mickey ears, purses, hats, and other items. It's simple to pack, but it can make a difference when it comes to staying organized, and you can also use them to hold the decorations on your cabin door. Tip number 9, prepare some Pixie Dust gifts. Pixie dusting is a fun Disney cruise tradition where guests will leave a small surprise gifts for others throughout the sailing. And it doesn't have to be anything expensive. You can leave a small item like a sticker, a bracelet, or even a treat. Tip number 10, pack some light-up accessories for Pirate Night. Between the deck party, the music, the fireworks at sea, it's the perfect time to break out glow sticks, light up bracelets, necklaces, or Mickey-themed glow gear. Let's say it's a simple way to add even more fun to one of the most exciting nights of the cruise. Did you know that DCL is the only cruise line that's allowed to have fireworks at sea? Tip number 11, don't forget your Mickey ears. We packed several pairs for photos and themed outfits throughout the cruise, and if you're looking to save a little money, you can usually find some really cute ones on Amazon or AliExpress for much less than you'd pay on board. Tip number 12, get the kids involved. The fun doesn't have to start on embarkation day. Let the kids plan outfits, make door magnets, put together Pixie Dust gifts, or decorate the fish extender. For us, getting ready together became part of the Disney cruise experience, and it made the countdown even more exciting. And that's it. Those are the 12 things we did to prepare for a Disney Destiny cruise. Some of them are practical, some are just for fun, but together they help build the excitement long before embarkation day. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Happy cruising, and I will see you in the next one. So I just want to mention that everything that we showed you today that was bought on Amazon, I'm going to put a link to it in the description below. If you click on them, we may earn a small commission, but it's to no extra cost to you. So I want to thank you for supporting the channel.